Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change age on Cash App. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So if in case you have added the wrong age, now you would like to change, so for that go ahead, open your Cash App first, make sure you're signed in, and now tap on this profile icon on top right. Then from this section, simply go ahead, scroll on to the bottom and tap on this option of support. And now from this section, you can simply go ahead, choose this option of chat given in the bottom section. And now simply go ahead, chat with the Cash App support available. So you can simply write down the concern of yours that you would like to change your age because it is wrongly added. And once you have provided, they will let you know what further you can do to change it. There is no direct way for you to simply change your age on Cash App as of today. This is the only method. Make sure to follow it along and you're good to go. So that is it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.